If you're experiencing login issues on GECU, follow these straightforward steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem quickly. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection. Try accessing other websites or apps to confirm that your internet is working properly. Step 2. Verify your credentials. Double-check the username and password you are entering. Make sure there are no typos and that the caps lock key is not accidentally enabled. Step 3. Reset your password. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Clear browser cache. If you are using a web browser, clear your cache and cookies. This can resolve issues caused by outdated or corrupted data stored in your browser. Step 5. Contact customer support. If the above steps do not resolve your issue, reach out to GECU customer support for assistance. They can provide further guidance and help troubleshoot the problem. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve your login issues quickly. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek help from customer support.